Today, you're probably not going to see what you were waiting for because this is the reality that I'm going to share with you. And it starts here. A few days ago, I came to the biggest livestock station in Hargeisa, which is near my home. And I wanted to vlog and share with the world the beautiful culture, the stories, the experiences, and the livestock we have in Hargeisa that are a main predominant economic and culture of the culture that lies within the Somali community. But to me, it became shocking because I thought I would be the best person to document these kind of stories, as I have grown up here, as I belong in this culture, as I have parents who have worked in these livestock markets for over years and years and years. However, all of that have just become an absolute lie, an absolute slap on the face, because what I met there was shocking. And when I say shocking, I mean this shocking.
Layga بدو كاميرته kuma socoto laakiin maxaa tiraahday lacag baan ku duubaya waxan way dalkeenii waxa doonaya ogaado undee sidoo iyo xooluhu suuqu sidii yahay sixirkiisa iyo waxa
People have told me they cannot be in front of the camera without being paid to talk about the culture, their experiences, the livestock, the market. Others have almost banged my camera with their sticks. And others told me I don't even have to be there, so I need to leave. But over the course of this video, I'm gonna show you how my experience went, and I don't want you to lose too much hope in here. So let's go and experience.
Chog halkan baad soo gaadhay weyna maad subscribe garayn konkii subscribers waxay nooga dhiman 100 subscribers, so haddaanad subscribing please hadda subscribe garayn. ma tahay qof sponsor ah jecel inuu sponsor gareeyo content ka sidoo kala travel ko kala raban inuu magaciisa ka soo muuqdo taala fitirkeeda waan wada shaqayn karnaa, please halkan nagala soo hadal. ma tahay qof business owner oo u baahan caawinimo xagga brandingka, marketingka iyo creatingka, halka la fitirkeeda caawinimo waan ka siin karnaa. Numberada halkan shaashada ku yaala nagala soo hadal. That's it, let's continue watching the video. Good morning. Today we are heading out to one of the most prominent locations in Hargeisa. Now that we are here documenting all about Hargeisa, we're going to take you to the livestock station, which is actually located not too far from here. If you take straight this road, I think you can just get there in a few minutes. Yeah, so we've got a company today. There we go. We've got my boy here, Mohammed. It's me and Mohammed. We're going to go together. We're going to go there first, and then we're going to go there from another place and then another place. So yeah, stay with us this journey and let's go.
Let's go.
We just found a bus. So this is the bus that you can take from home to the livestock station. It's very hot here. You can see I'm sweating a lot. And it's really noisy here. The bus is not in a very good condition. Sometimes you find better buses, but I mean, sometimes you gotta go with what you got. And this is us. Mohammed is just sitting right here in front of me. So yeah, I think for this kind of bus, you have to pay 2,000 Somaliland shillings, which translates to 0.25 USD cents or USD dollars. And so yeah, that's it. We're gonna get to the livestock station in like 5 minutes. So we're almost here, and we're gonna get off the bus right here. We're gonna get off the bus right here, and then we're gonna take you there. But we have to go through one of the markets. So let's see what that looks like. So we are actually just going through one of the biggest vegetable markets. And this is normally before you get to the livestock station. I walked here endless amount of times in my life when I was a kid. I'm actually reminiscing the experience right now, and it's really important that you come back here and at least experience it again, what it feels like. So we're gonna go there. Mohammed just paid our money for the bus, and he's feeling proud. So yeah, of course. And now let's see what that looks like. ninka aadanow kaalaya aadanow kaale ma yidee wallahi la sakaabiradaya ha kaale aadanow. Guys, what you need to know is this used to be my playground when I was a kid. I would come here pretty much every time in the week, or like literally like any day, because also I was going to school very close nearby here, and so I would come here to play around with other people and other kids, or maybe just to find fun. So you shouldn't be surprised seeing these kids all around here. This guy is a pro. They told me he's the person who's gonna tell me about the place and who's gonna talk to me. Adano Kale. Kale the Adan. But Adano Hai Kale, Meshan Mahalot Bada. I know Merkan Yaro Henry mentioned it in Harab Muni mentioned it, like in Mahaluk Meshalot Bada. صح ولي كبدي ما تكون عيارتان حاجة نجيني خدام ده مثل لكن كورال قول عيارة بري قول جيني كورال لكن لقمة عيار جد ومحايمك سكر ديم حولي ما يراضي ها صح yes, so this is their break. It's the summer break, so they need to have fun and go home, and other times they have to come here and have fun. Yeah, definitely there's not much fun at home. And then galabtana soo noqotaa sabab yartan xagga صح xoolihii laakiin waxaan tagi jirnay meeshii xaggeena loo jiray daabaqada xoolaha lagu calaamadeyn jiray xaggii way jirtaa weli waa tagtaa sama صح beerihiina ka warrama beeri way jiraan weli way noolyiin صح there is a whole garden behind this livestock station, and it's known as beeraha, but that just means gardens. And so kids also go there to have fun and play around. We used to go there to get basically things to eat. We used to go and climb trees and all of that, but it's part of the fun and the experience. We're going to go to the next location, but we've got a lot of company right now, but you guys need to see what's going on here. Look at this. We've got a lot of company, yeah? We're surrounded by kids, and of course, the biggest kid is also there. So let's go and actually explore what happens here. I can't wait to get to the part for the camels. So yeah, let's go. All right, say guys, say goodbye.
ilmaho dadiidan isaga waxda qaba ugu nolol dambeeyey dunidu waa jiilal marka ay dameero ilmaho dadiidan isaga waxda qaba ugu nolol dambeeyey.
At this moment, we made to the cow market. So one thing you need to realize is the livestock station does not only contain camels, or it does not only contain goats or sheep. It actually has separate stations for separate animals and separate livestock. So this is the cow section, and here what they have is all cows, all cows, all cows. And then behind this section is where you actually where animals depart to their next destination. And so you have cars waiting for them, and you have terminals. This is pretty much like a port. And so you need to understand that there are different ports or places to basically put the animals on the car, and the cars go straight to Barbara or their next location where they are sold or where they are traded. So yeah, this is it. And for as far as I know, I don't know too much about cows, but I know their main farms are in Geelaa and Arabsio, which is where people actually raise cows. And so take as much look as you can of these cows, because they're beautiful. They come in different colors, and they come in different ages, and they come in different things. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Mukira waraysan karnaa horta qaybtan dibiyada iyo saca adigu ma ka shaqaysaa in badan ku dhigtay sax cid ka shaqaysaa ma jirto aan la hadli karnaa
niman ka iibinaya
sax
ayaa walaal weydiin kartaa
ayaa ugu wanaagsan
baashan waxay leedahay cid iibisa
sax sax waran
abdaheeda
hay waasad It's fine. ها ما قعدتم شرع ها لاني كلامك كله شرعي وي سوري صح ودت كاميرتك ما سعته لكن maxaa tiraahday lacag baan ku duubaya waxan waa dalkeennii iyo waxa doonaya ogaado undees sidii iyo xooluhu suuqu sidii ay sixirkiisa iyo waxa taas noo sheeg
waxaan hooyo hilib ka ganacsataan
haya
maanta hilib xooluhu markii hore qaali bay ahaayeen
haya
laakiin way soo yardabxeen markaa ina soo dabcaana suuqii xoolihii lagu iibsanayay soo dabxay ayaan hooya jirin qadkii markii doolarkii milyan iyo qadkii markuu doolarka ku noqday milyan iyo 120
sax
dadka saddex dabaqadood marka la eego laba dabaqadood baa way saxada
sax
dabaqadood baa waxay sataa
sax
dabaqadii waxay satay Saylada timaada neefaysa talaagada ku
okay inta daba anu sheego Nimco is complaining about the different classes. There are people that are affording their meat, their cows. They buy their cows and they put it in their fridges, and that is the reality. But there are other people who are struggling with the market, buying any cows, buying anything, and then of course selling it back. That's very difficult. We are actually approaching a car taking off to take animals or to take goats to the next destination. I think they are heading to Barbara, most likely. And this is it. I think they just departed from here. All the animals have been taken through here, and they got on the car. That car is heading to Barbara by now.
ogo gobolka city gobolka faafan aad ka soo dhaadhacdeen dhulka wayaad dhulduulanay ka soo dhaadhacdeen laguna halkii lagu dhalee dhayda lagu habiya dhaxya dhuulo ha dhulka wayaad dhulduulanay ka soo dhaadhacdeen qurlaf gardhe ha qurraxaydhal ha shabelle ha aad ka soo dhaadhacdeen dhulka wayaad dhulduulanay ka soo dhaadhacdeen.
So we just came to the goats and the sheep session, right? And this is where they get departed as well. But before they get departed, they're doing something very important. They have to do the markings. The marking is very important because there are different markings for different places. Yeah. And this marking is for the people that are selling them for meat, right? Because the goats are sold for meat, others are sold for trading, and they've been sent to different locations like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and all of those other locations. But these ones are actually going into the meat market, right? So yeah, that's where they're going. And that marking is very, very important because if they get it wrong, the animal can actually end up in a very different place than where it was intended. So yeah, let's see. Hi there. أنا ربعت ولا أنا داير عياري. أنا لكن ده رجع Sadly, we've been evicted from the last place we went. Actually, we've been fought by people, different people. A lot of people were advocating for us, others were fighting us. But now it's the last minute. We're gonna try some milk. We found this amazing place where they actually are pouring milk from the original container, which is known as Han in my culture. And so we're gonna drink from here, and then we're gonna go away because at the moment we don't have camels here anymore, and we've got as many of the animals in the shot as we could. So we're gonna go away. Before we go away, let's try the milk. And of course, Mohammed is here, so he's gonna also try. Yeah. أنا جيل بلعب يا. واعير. أو لكن كون ويكون قرارين صوما. ويكون قرارية. لكن جيل عقلها لقوا حيا الله بلا. صح صح صح. هذا أنا جيل برمنا نو. ها. لو درى. صدرة كلية. درى كلية. واحد دلنا أنا ندمناه. ها وحنا كده دوغنا. Still waiting. There he is, patiently waiting for the milk to come. We met a very friendly woman, and we're gonna see what they taste like. This is it. They have to be in these kind of cups, otherwise, I don't know what's gonna happen. But all I know is, if you're gonna drink milk, then you're gonna have to drink with these kind of cups. So let's see. Bismillah. Yeah, really nice, really refreshing. It's just like really refreshing. I haven't had any water yet ever since I came here, and it's making me absolutely like refreshed and like not thirsty anymore. هو كاس الدرام معها لكن كان الدرام مو بعصمها لكن وين جاف سو أنا كنت درا الربا هيا لي كذا دراسي هيا okay, that's it. So there it is. I'm gonna enjoy this, and of course Mohammed is also enjoying it already. Hey, كورة على. Cheers. We're good now, huh? Time to try it. Yeah, at the moment we are going through a valley, a very beautiful valley. We just left the livestock market. Very busy. A lot of things were happening. What are you saying? And now we are actually heading to Hargeisa, which is our next destination.
halkii lagu dhaleedhayda lagu habiye dhaxyadhuha dhulkooyaad dhuldhulanay ka soo dhaadhacdeen yaad ka soo dhaadhacdeen dhulkooyaad dhuldhulanay ka soo dhaadhacdeen maad ka soo dhaadhacdeen dhulkooyaad dhuldhulanay ka soo dhaadhacdeen